Alright, so today we are again working on 89 Chevy K1500 Silverado with 350. Today we are going to be changing out our coolant temperature sensor or the engine coolant temperature sensor, whichever one you want to call it. Whatever the hell your parts store wants to say it is. So this is the new part. This is what it looks like. Pretty easy to replace. All you're going to do is unscrew it and disconnect that cable. So again, we're going to be taking off our air filter from the carburetor, and we are going to be looking right down in here is where that little sensor is going to be at. So depending on what kind of extras you got on yours, you may have this bar here, you may not. You can take that bar off if you want. I wouldn't suggest it because it's just a lot of extra shit to do. You've got it connected right up in there, so it's just extra to do. You should be able to work your way around it. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead and take and disconnect your negative terminal from your battery. We're going to pop that little off of there, and then we're going to go ahead and get this disconnected. Alright, so to loosen that up, all we did was took a 3/4 inch crow wrench, put that on the end of an extension with a socket. So we'll take and all we do, get that down in there, get it right around it, and just loosen that up. Now that bar is going to get in your way, so you'll just have to take and pull it off and switch it back around. So we've got this loosened up enough. I'll just take that off by hand. And you're gonna get some engine coolant that comes out. So there's the old one. We'll take that, and we'll take this new one here before we lose too much coolant, and we'll get that right down in there, get it tightened up, and we'll take our wrench, throw it back on here. Now, as to how tight you should put that on there, I wouldn't put it on extremely tight. It's just, all it does is just seal that hole basically. So once you get it on there, this new one's actually going on a lot deeper than what the old one was. So that ought to be good there. And once you get that in, just take our connector, push it right back on, and there you go.